Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to draw an arrow line in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps, then create your document. Now you can see here are my document. Now I draw an arrow line in this blank document. At first, you have to go insert menu. Then you can see here are drawing option. Click this drawing option and press plus new option. Now you can see here are drawing interface. Now I insert a arrow line. Click this line drop down menu and choose arrow. Now press shift and draw your arrow line. Then you can increase the arrow border pixel. Now I choose 12 pixel. Then press save and close. Now you can see I draw an arrow line in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.